Hello everyone, welcome back to Starkey Farmstead. Today I'm going to teach you how to make southern style greens, okay? So you can use collard greens or you can use mustard greens, but I'm going to use mustard greens. We're going to start with 8 slices of thick cut slabbed bacon. You guys see my scissors? Clip, clip, clip. You want some kitchen scissors and you want to use them only for that. Cut up your bacon, get it into your skillet. Get it up to about a 5, maybe a 6, and start letting it brown, you guys, because really, it's going to be this bacon grease that's going to give your greens the flavor and help you make something called pot liquor. Now, it's going to take about 7 minutes to get this bacon right here to the color that you want it. While you're waiting, you're going to start getting everything ready. You are going to need a clove of garlic. You are going to need half a sweet onion. You are going to need about 4 bushels of greens. Now we have 7 minutes to get it all ready and into this pot. As you can see, I literally have an entire sink full of greens. Now I'm an organic regenerative gardener and I grew this here on my 2-acre farmstead. If you buy it from a grocery store, please rinse these vegetables super careful, you guys. They're going to be covered in pesticides and they're going to be covered in all kind of contaminants from hands, from bugs, from rats, and from people handling them. So rinse them in cold water. Not only that, if you'll soak them in a sink of cold water before you cook them, it'll make your pot liquor a little bit thicker and you'll find that your greens are just a little healthier looking. Here you see the tops of shallots that I'm also growing in my organic garden. I went out there and I cut me 3. I'm going to use my handy dandy scissors. I'm going to chop those up and I'm going to add them to the bacon. Now guys, we're moving to about minute 4. Believe it or not, I'm getting quite a bit done faster than I would have thought I would have. Now is the time to add your clove of garlic in here, guys, and get it stirred in really good because you're going to want it to soften up and brown. Once you add your greens, it's going to slow down the process, and the vegetables you put in after you put in your greens in your water are going to be crunchy. So if you don't want crunchy vegetables, you need to get those in now. Now we're going to add in the half a cup of Vidalia sweet onion. Now notice, I'm not a chef, you guys, and I'm not going to sit there and dice that up real small because guess what? They're just going to disintegrate as they cook down into the pot liquor. So you don't have to kill yourself, make yourself cry cutting up these onions. This is one of the most important parts, you guys, of making greens, okay? Cooking greens. You see this? This is the main vein. You are going to fold right there, and you are going to pull everything off. This is so difficult with one hand. Everything off, leaving that big vein behind, okay? Hold on. Son of a biscuit eater. Let me show you. All right, maybe I can get it like this. See what I'm doing? Just tear it off. If I had 2 hands, it'd be so easy. Because I can move through these, y'all. You drop all that in there. The rest of this goes out to feed your chickens and your rabbits, or your goats, your pigs, whatever. But that's how you do it. You gotta pretty much devein them. As you can see, I'm only halfway through in the sink, and I'm up to about a half a colander full of ready to go greens. You're gonna take those, dump them right in there, let them start cooking down, you guys, because you still got to fit the rest of those greens in this pot. But this is the best time to start flipping everything from the bottom up. Otherwise, it'll be too difficult once you fill it up. Oh my God, does that not look delicious? Yummy. You see how quick that cooked down, you guys? That was only about 4 or 5 minutes, and they're flat to the bottom. So that's why you see us Southern women buying so many greens at one time, because as my husband says, if that's all you're gonna cook, it ain't even worth cooking. So you need to do this 3 or 4 times. Fill it up, let it cook down, fill it up, let it cook down, flipping it as you go with each layer to get an entire pot of greens. Okay, just like last time, mixed it all together, and guys, it's already so good. All right, 4 minutes and it's cooked down to almost nothing. So add another one, you guys. You're just gonna keep layering it, flipping everything to the top, layering it, flipping everything to the top. If you notice that your bacon grease is now absorbed, you can go ahead and add like a 1/4 cup of water, and that'll help it, you know, not stick to the bottom of your skillet. All right, one more time, you guys. And that's it. That's it. We have finally got them all peeled. Now, most of you know I am a zero food waste farm, which means all of this is now going to transfer to here. So go feed my rabbits and my chickens. We're going to do like we did with everything else. We are going to roll it so that you're getting the fresh to the bottom, you guys. So hard to do this left-handed. Here we go. Oh my gosh, don't that look good? The best way to season this, you guys, is going to be a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of black pepper, maybe some Tony's, put a little Cajun seasoning on top of that. Now, some people are going to cover, bring this back to a simmer and cook it for like 30 minutes. I myself do it just a little bit different. I'm going to set this in here and I'm going to move it around every now and then like this, say, and like this. Just pressing it down, pressing it down. Because guys, you see with that right there that's bubbling up and over here in the corner, that's called pot liquor, okay? Not liquor like I'm gonna go get drunk, but pot liquor like I'm full of vitamin C, vitamin K, and iron. Now that can be seeped off. Like you could literally get a spoon in here right now and pull some of that off of there. And you could put it in, say, a vegetable soup. See that? That's pot liquor. You could put this in your beans and cook beans with it, but you don't want to throw it away. So that's what's coming off these greens as you're cooking it, all right? So that's what we here in the South call pot liquor, and it is the most important part of this entire meal. Now I'm gonna cook this for the next 30 or 45 minutes. I'm gonna add just a little bit, like a tablespoon of sugar to this at the end, because I want my greens to be a little sweeter than bitter. So thank you guys for coming and cooking with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. There's my finished product. It looks so amazing. Yummy, yummy, yummy for my tummy, tummy, tummy. Try it.
Time to bite.
One more bite. That's it, too. They're good?
Yeah.
That's for the ham.
What you talking about? That's for the ham.
Yeah, we got the ham in the oven. That's to go with the ham.
Oh, okay.
It's good, though, huh? I want to taste it, too.